Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel again. Ivy and Skin here. Thank you guys for coming back. Thank you guys for tuning in. All my lovely subscribers, both old but new, I welcome you guys wholeheartedly. But if you are yet to subscribe, please kindly click on the notification bell, click on the subscription button and the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post new videos, guys. I'm so excited to share this with you because this is a secret I have kept with me for so long. Okay, I make this oil. It's an oil base, but it's an oil so good, so natural. You can use it on its own. You can even use it for a baby's skin from 6 months and above. Okay, you can use this oil for baby skin. Guys, this oil is a bomb. Like, I'm just like literally, okay, you use this oil on its own, your skin will be glowing and bright, and it will brighten your skin, smoothen your skin, clear away patches, and like your skin, you will not believe. If you use this oil on its own, use it. You can use it in the daytime, you can use it in the nighttime, but of course nobody wants to rub oil and fry their skin on that. Stick to using the oil only at night when we want to sleep. My goodness, this oil will do amazing, like give your skin amazing benefits in as much as 10 days. Guys, I am not exaggerating. I'm not. Like, this oil is everything. It gives you vitamin C. It contains vitamin C. It contains vitamin A. Look, all I can say is you can use this oil as a base oil to mix your serum. If you want to make your glowing skin oil, this oil on its own will make you glow. Dark skin person to whatever shade, any shade can use this oil. Okay, and the best thing about this oil is that you can use it to mix your face cream. You can use it on your face. You can use it on your to make your face serum. Anything for your face, you can use it. Okay, I will not say you should use it for soap, because if you use it for soap, you might just waste the goodness because you're going to wash the soap off. You know what I'm saying? So let's stick to the rubbing and leaving it on our skin so that our skin can suck in all this goodness from this oil. Guys, I'm talking too much. Let me introduce my oil to you. Here comes this amazing, gorgeous, I gave this oil a name. The name I call this oil is Maximum Glow, because you will glow to the maximum. Like, God, words cannot do justice to this oil. Words cannot do justice. You have to use it to know. And the smell, don't even go there. This is the baby. There she is. Beautiful. Okay. I'm going to take you guys to my workstation and show you how I make this oil. So this is it, still infusing in the herbs. And this is the one that I have sifted. This is it, okay? So this one is the one that you can, say you want to mix your serum. You want to make lightening oil, whitening oil, glowing oil, any oil, you can use this as a base oil. This is your base oil. This is what I use as my base oil to make for my clients and myself. Okay, I use this oil to make the cream for my little girl. She's 8, almost 9. Okay, so this oil is safe for children's skin. I added some essential oils, okay, and because of that essential oils, that's why I say you can use it for baby from 6 months and above. That's why I say you can use this oil from 6 months and above, 6 months baby and above, because of the essential oils. You can up this essential oil. It can be optional for you, just in case you want to use it for a baby younger than 6 months. Then you can use this oil. Please believe me, this oil is safe for everybody, old, young, new. It's for everybody, any shades whatsoever. Okay, of this oil. Look, I am just like, I cannot, I don't know, there's no words to describe this oil, and the orange smell mixed with the lavender. It's something else. Okay, so guys, without wasting much of your time, because I think I'm talking too much, let me take you to my workstation and show you how I make this heavenly, gorgeous skin food. Okay, so please, guys, I beg you, if you're yet to subscribe, please kindly subscribe and help my channel grow. Click on the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post new amazing videos. You'll be the first. So before we begin, I'd like to give a brief introduction to the herbs I'm using, because we're using dry herbs, and the benefits of infusing it in oil. And when you infuse it in oil, what's the benefits for your skin? Okay, I use the lavender, dried lavender herbs. I use the calendula, and I use chamomile, as well as saffron. So I'm going to give a brief introduction of the benefits of the oils for our skin. So saffron cures acne, heals scars, improves your complexion and brightens your complexion, reduces pigmentation on your skin, heals and tones dry skin. Saffron helps glow your skin. It brightens it and gives it its natural brightness to your skin. It helps clears out pigmentation, and it gives your skin a glowing complexion that is very obvious to the eyes. Lavender oil helps heals cuts and burns on your skin, especially with sunburns, and it helps diminishes the appearance of stretch marks and scars. It helps with cellulite. It helps improves eczema and acne scars on your skin, and it's an antioxidant for the skin. It protects the skin from sun. It contains an SPF of 5, SPF 5 in lavender. Lavender oil can be used for your face, it can be used for your soaps, it can be used for your creams, your serum. That's the good thing about lavender oil. So you can use it to clear spots as well, acne scars, blemishes, and it clears diminish the appearance of stretch marks as well. That's why I love this lavender oil. It does that. Chamomile oil helps soothe the skin from burns, especially sunburns, and it helps soothe irritating, itchy skin, and that's why it's good for babies as well. It helps diminishes the appearance of wrinkles. It helps diminishes the scars of acne and any scars at all on your skin, and it helps reduce the appearance of cellulite. So it's good for dark and aged spots that has been on your body for a long time. It brightens the skin, and it helps with eczema and psoriasis as well. Calendula oil. Calendula oil is very good for aged skin, like if your skin has wrinkles, and it nourishes the skin. It helps with dry skin, and it contains an antibacterial properties. It's effective for various skin diseases like rashes, itchy skin, redness, similar problems, and it helps with prevention of skin cancer. There's a plant extract useful in treating and preventing skin cancer in a calendula oil that kills the cancerous cells, and it relieves the body of stress, like it helps with blood circulation from the cells to the skin, so therefore giving the skin this youthful appearance. So if your skin is looking dull and aged and you use calendula oil, it will give you that youthful glow, and it brightens the skin as well. Orange oil is very high in vitamin C. In fact, the skin contains more percentage of vitamin C than the orange itself. That's why orange oil is one of the number one, like one of the best oils when you want to attain a natural lightening of your skin. If you use only orange oil on your skin for 1 week, you will notice a very visible difference of skin lightening. It's so high in vitamin C. It treats acne, it's anti-inflammatory, antibacterial. It treats acne. It reduces the acne scars itself. It clears sunburns. Orange oil is very, very good, and it helps in new skin cell regeneration because of the vitamin C content. So guys, let's go straight to the video. So welcome to my workstation. This is my little mortar pestle marble here, and this is my orange oil and my sunflower oil, jojoba oil. These are the 3 carrier oils I'll be using. And for my herbs, this is my lavender dry herbs, chamomile dried flower, and my calendula dried flower. And saffron, of course. So for this product we're making, there's no like an exact measurement. I'm using orange essential oil as well, lavender essential oil to boost the efficacy of the dry lavender, and lime essential oil. The lime and the orange essential oil is to boost the vitamin C and efficacy of the orange oil. So I'm just gonna carefully see, like I said, you don't have to have any exact measurement to the flowers or the herbs. Just use your discretion and do whatever you so fit, like whatever is good for you. Okay, so there's no measurement here. Even for the oil itself, there's no measurement. Just put whatever you feel comfortable with. By the way, putting my herbs in my mortar pestle it's optional. You could use a blender, a dry blender. I'm showing this method so that you can know that you can use either. You can use a mortar pestle or you can use the electric dry blender. I will show you that in the video as well. So this is the first step option, which is a mortar and a pestle. And if you don't want to, you use an electric dry blender as well. So this is the second method you can use, which is to use your electrical dry blender. You know, you can use either one of them, whatever you feel comfortable with. That's why I'm showing both methods, so you know that you can use either. And now I'll add my oils. Like I said earlier, there's no exact measurement. Just make sure the oil is enough to cover the herbs. Even if it covers the herb, you still need to put more, you know, at least to be a few inches above the herbs. You know, you want more oil and you want them to get infused properly, so just make sure the oil covers the herbs. So I put a bit of sunflower oil, I put a bit of orange oil, a bit of jojoba oil, because for me the jojoba is important because I want to make sure that this oil can be used for the face. It contains the properties that are very, very good for the face. The calendula herb, the chamomile herbs, the lavender, all these are good for the face. So jojoba oil is very, very important for oily skin, people with oily face skin. This is one of the oils that they can use, jojoba oil, as well as sunflower oil and orange oil to remove sunburns and scars and all that. So Yeah, these are the three major oils that I'm using. For the essential oils, I'm not going to put it now until the oil has been steamed and it's cooled down. You cannot put essential oil into a hot product, okay? Alright, so now my oil is in my herbs in my jar, and I'm going to put it in a double boiler. I choose to use a double boiler because you need the steam to gradually infuse into the herbs. Okay, you want it to infuse the herbs, the steam, that's what you need. And please, please, please do not cover the pot. Do not cover the pot. We don't want our jar to break. Okay, do not cover the pot. Allow it to sit in the double boiler for at least 10 minutes before you take it out. And when you take it out, allow the oil to cool down to room temperature before you filter and before you add your essential oils. So my oil is out, I've taken it off the fire, and I'm going to let it sit and cool into room temperature before I do any other thing with it. I'll use my sifter. You can use a chiffon cloth, you can use any fabric you feel okay with, okay? But I prefer to use a sifter. Even when I use the sifter, you're still gonna see like little particles of the herbs in the filtered oil. So that's why I say it's, if you want to use a cloth, a soft cloth, a chiffon material, it's fine, it's okay, you know. Then you squeeze and all that. Now I'm going to add my essential oils. By the way, the essential oils, I really will advise that you're very careful with it. You know, they're quite concentrated and strong. So the oil I filtered, I didn't filter everything. I just filtered a little bit that I wish to use later. So the volume of the oil I filtered is about 100 ml, and for that 100 ml I just added about 5 drops of essential oils of lime oil, orange oil, and lavender oil. Just about 5 drops. You can even make it less. Okay, you can make it less. For me, if I were using the oil just like that without, you know, pro-mixing it, I wouldn't add 5. I would add less essential oil drops. But because I'm going to pro-mix it into a lightening oil for somebody, so that's why I put more essential oils. So like I said, the essential oils, just be careful. A few drops will do. They are concentrated and they're strong. You wouldn't want it to irritate your skin, trust me. And just like that, our oil is ready. You can take, you know, on your own, you can just decide to take the oils, the ones with the herbs inside, and heat it up 10 minutes each day. The more you heat it up, the more you get infused, you get the herbs infusing, get more extraction from them. So you can do that once in a while. You know, you don't have to take out the whole herbs from the oil. It's entirely up to you, but this is just an idea and it will really help you. You get more from the herbs, not that you just did it once and that's it, voila, and you take out all the herbs and throw them away. Those herbs are still useful. And again, just another secret here. When you take out the herbs from the oil, you don't have to throw them away. You can add them to your scrubs. So that will be my next video. Yeah. I'll show you how I make my scrubs, and you can use these herbs for your scrub. They are dry herbs, so they're not going to create any moisture whatsoever, so the scrubs will not develop any bacteria or molds. And with that, guys, I'll say thank you so much for watching my video, and please click on the subscription button, the notification bell, so you get notified whenever I post amazing videos. Thank you very much, guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye.